Technology drives what we do, how we function and utilize everything from handheld devices to our home or an airplane. It changes rapidly, and so do we. By integrating electronic engineering with computer sciences, we're molding today's researchers, designers, and developers into tomorrow's computer hardware engineers. The careers available to us are vast. Tech firms, defense contracting, consulting, transportation, chemical companies. Advanced machine learning enables us to innovate machine intelligence, program strategies, and pattern recognition to evolve the way robots and devices communicate with and improve humanity. From small startups to large multinational firms, our practical experience and hands-on training at Florida Poly has provided us for a high-powered career in high-tech industries.